Hello guys, this is Jude, and in this video I'll be walking you through OKX. OKX recently held an event in Port Harcourt which I was at. The exchange was founded in 2014 and about $2 billion is traded on this exchange every single day. By liquidity, they are ranked number 10 as the exchange with the most liquidity according to CoinMarketCap. In today's video, I'll be walking you through its products and services. There are about 13 of them, which is a lot. So if you're ready, let's check it out. What I'm going to do in this video is to walk you through OKX products and services. Now, if you want to learn more about OKX, like the trading fee and all that, I would suggest you go read this post. The link is in the description. The post talks about the overview of the company, products and services as well, trading fees, currency supported, payment method, and so on and so forth. And it's well written with graphics and videos to drive home the points. So let's go back to the OKX platform. OKX has a plethora of products and services. They include buy crypto, spot trading, margin trading, futures, perpetual swap, options, OKEX, pool, wallet, OKB, OK notes, academy, token listing. So what I did is to divide them into trading services and non-trading services. Now, if you look here where you have trade, okay, you see the trading services. There are 7 of them: buy crypto, spot trading, margin trading, DEX trading, perpetual swap, futures, option. So I'll be explaining this one by one. Let's look at the buy crypto section. In the buy crypto section, you can buy 8 cryptocurrencies, that is USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, and TRX, directly with your local currency. OKEX supports 30 local currencies. You can see the USD, CNY, the Euro, the Great British Pound, even the Nigerian Naira, the Australian Dollar, and so on and so forth. So using any of this payment method, you can buy any of this cryptocurrency using these payment channels. See, through these payment channels, which are OKEX partners, you can use any of these payment methods to buy Bitcoin or all these other currencies instantly. Once you click on buy, on say I want to use Simplex, and Simplex supports Visa and MasterCard. Once I click on buy, I enter my details and enter the amount I want to buy, and the cryptocurrency, after I make payments, the coin I'm buying is sent directly to my OKEX wallet. So this is the buy crypto section. The next one is spot trading. Spot trading is where you trade cryptocurrency pair. So example is Bitcoin, USDT. Alright, so here you can see the charts, you can conduct analysis and place order. And the thing that OKEX has a lot of order types. Most other exchanges have 3 order types, but OKEX has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 limits: advanced limit, market, stop limit, trail, iceberg, and swap. I think Binance has about 4. So OKEX has this number of order types. So spot trading is the normal trading we know, buy and sell cryptocurrency here. So the next is margin trading. Margin trading is also integrated into the spot trading and other trading types. In margin trading, what it does is that you can use up to 10 times leverage. So if you look at Bitcoin USDT here, you can see 10x beside it. If I decide to use a leverage of 10, what I'm trying to do is that what will happen is, if I make a profit of 1%, that my profit is multiplied by 10. Alright, so I'm making 10 times the profit. But it also acts to my advantage. It acts to my advantage and also to my disadvantage, because if I make a loss of 10%, the loss is multiplied by 10, and that is what I'll be using. So make sure you know how to do your risk management before using the the margin trading. The next is futures. In futures, we don't really, just in spot trading, we buy and sell these cryptocurrencies, alright? But in futures, we don't really buy and sell the cryptocurrencies. We trade on their outcomes. This is saying that I can decide to trade on Bitcoin going up, which is called long, taking a long position, or I can trade on the fall of Bitcoin, which is called the short position. In other words, I can make profit when Bitcoin is rising by predicting that Bitcoin will rise, or make profit when Bitcoin is falling by predicting that it will fall. So that is futures. And OKEX have 3 expiry time for futures, which is weekly, bi-weekly, and quarterly. For Perpetual Swap, Perpetual Swap is similar to futures. The only difference is that there is no time limit. In other words, my trade for Perpetual Swap is open until I decide to close it myself. For futures, weekly, in other words, my trade will end every week if I choose a weekly and time frame. Perpetual Swap, it's open indefinitely until I decide to close it, or maybe until if I'm making a loss and I lose all my money. So that is for Perpetual Swap. Then option trading is similar to futures as well. Options trading is similar to futures, but with less risk. You can find more info on all this type of trading in the OKEX Academy, which I will also show you while walking you through this exchange. The last of the trading type is the OKEX DEX. It is a decentralized exchange. What decentralized exchange does is that you are in control of your cryptocurrency while trading. That is just the difference between decentralized exchange and centralized exchange. So OKEX just launched a test net of it. The OKEX DEX is still in the test net. In other words, it's not live yet, but you can actually test it out onto this live. So these are the products, the trading products offered on OKEX. The next I'm going to do is to walk you through the non-trading products. The non-trading products include, but are not limited to, pool, wallet, OKB, OKNodes, Academy, token listing. Now, for the, you can see them here. This is the pool, wallet, OKB, OK Cloud. This used to be called OKNode, OKX node, but it's now called OK Cloud. This is the Academy. If you go down here, you can see the token listing. So, and this is the Academy. There are more, but I'm going to explain this, the ones I've called. So let's get to it. If you're into crypto mining, you can join the OKX pool by either staking any of this cryptocurrency or contributing your mining power to mine these currencies. There are 12 of them, and you can share in the profits when you join the mining pool. OKX wallet supports 180 cryptocurrencies. That is all the cryptocurrency on the OKX platform, and all ERC20 token. Then you have the OKB. OKB is the OKEX token. Just like the Binance token, OKB is developed and issued by the OK blockchain. It was designed to encourage developers of digital assets by connecting the developers to OKX users and investors. OKX Cloud was formerly called OKX Node. What this does is it helps you to build your own exchange, leveraging the OKX technology and liquidity. You do not need to build your own exchange afresh. All you need to do is to just leverage on the OKX platform and liquidity to build your own exchange. OKX token listing. What this does is, if you are a developer or a blockchain developer and you created your own token, you can apply here to have your token listed and traded on the OKX platform. The OKX Academy is where you can learn a lot about the blockchain and the OKX platform. There are lots of videos and tutorials available for beginners as well as advanced users here. So these are the products and services offered on the OKX platform. The platform is quite robust. The 24-hour trade volume is about 1.2 to 1.5 billion dollars according to CoinMarketCap. If you've not created an account with OKX, I suggest you should do so. The link is in the description, but know that the link is an affiliate link, which means that when you subscribe using the link, you get more commission. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so right away. We release awesome videos like this every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. If you have a question for me, or you want me to review another exchange, just leave me a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.